been a really long time I made this plum jam and I want to try it. It's been sitting for a long time, since 2022 September, and now it's March 2024. So more than 1.5 years. I ate it slowly, and I have a few jars. %0 sugar, no sugar added, and 6 hours boiling time. The seal is perfect. Seal is really good. So now it might be a problem to open it. Let's try. If it doesn't open, there is a simple trick. Okay. Take a knife. Find the free spot between the threads and press it so that there is no tension on the glass but on the outside, like this. Okay, let's try. If it doesn't work in one spot, turn it around, find another spot. Turn it around and find another spot. And again. And this is really tight. Be careful not to break the edge of the glass. You don't want glass to be broken. Let's try again. Okay, listen to this. Oh, okay. Condition, no mold. I don't see any mold on top. This is really good. Let's give it a try. The color looks the same how when I made it. The plum flavor. Delicious. You can make smoothie with this, use it for meat, for cooking. You can even use it to eat with milk and kefir, or kefir and oats for breakfast.